Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to coil a weave-on with a coiling iron. If you are a beginner, then this video is for you. I've done something like this on this channel and I did it in a way that you're going to get a different coils. So basically this video is how to get a different coils with a coiling iron, especially if you want to revamp a hair or you want to give your hair another look. Now I'm going to brush out the hair that I'm going to be using first. Then I'm going to spray water on the hair. I've had this notion that oil spoils hair, so whichever way I'm going to skip the oil part and use water to make the hair relax. If you want to use oil, it's okay, but for me I'm going to use water alone to spray on the hair first. After that I'm going to just brush it out to make the hair relax. Next, I'm going to be parting the hair bit by bit. I'm just packing it for easy access. I'm going to take bit by bit, then coil it. For the coiling, I'm going to be using this coiling iron. It's a tiny coiling iron compare what we are doing, and I'm going to be coiling this upward. What I did was to allow the coiling iron to heat up a little, then take the hair that I want and start pulling it upward. I'm rolling this hair upward, which was for a reason, and this is the first method that I'm going to be doing in this video. So once you are done rolling the hair, allow it to heat up very well before you can pull it out. So I'm going to allow mine to heat up. So guys, if you notice in this coiling of hair, I'm doing this without wrapping the holder of the coil, the holder of the coiling iron. I just hope you can see what I'm saying. So like I said, allow the coiling iron to heat up like 3 to 5 minutes depending how hot your coiling iron is. Then I gradually pull it out and use pin to hold it down. I'm going to use my spray to spray on it to give it a shine and to also hold the coil. This is just the main. For the second coiling, I am going to be repeating the same method with the first one, same exact coiling, which is rolling it without holding the coiling holder. Then allow it to stay like 3 to 4 minutes off before removing the coil.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
In this method, I'm going to be coiling this with the holder. I'm going to be coiling it together with the holder, and I'm doing this to give it a lift. This is just the main reason of doing this method, to give the coils a lift, and this coil is preferable if you are using a bigger coiling iron. But if you are still using this, you are going to achieve the same result but a tiny coil. You can also decide to spray a shining spray to give it a shine, which I've just done. So I'm going to allow it to stay like 3 to 5 minutes before pulling out the curls. So gently I'm going to pull out the hair from the curling iron and use my pin to hold it. Guys, this method to me is optional. You can decide to coil the hair and allow it to drop. It will still give you the same coil. I'm doing this method to make the coils last longer.
I wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the Hall of Shame. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance.
So guys, basically this is how it should look like. I'm going to loosen out the coils now after it has stayed for minutes. I'm going to loosen it out to show you how the coils looks like. Guys, like I said, this coil is different from the one I've done on this channel with the same coiling iron. As you can see, this is how the coil looks like. I'm going to put up how the other coil looks like with the same coiling iron and the same thing. I'm going to put it up on the screen for you to see the difference. So now we are going to loosen it up and style to your desired style. So this is just a simple way to style a straight hair or to revamp a hair if you are a beginner. If you comb it out, you are going to get a different result, but I'm not going to comb it out. You can wear it like this. I'm going to spray the spray again to give it a final shining. So this is how the coils came out. It looks amazing. It looks so fine. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think about the coils and the other coils, what you think about both of them. And also, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this amazing family. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. So see you in my next video. Bye.